This video overviews the first part of the Career Exploration PowerPoint template. For the Career Exploration project, you will research careers that suit your skills, personality, and interests. Doing this will help you develop an educational plan that leads to a satisfying career path. The larger project is broken into smaller tasks that you will complete over several weeks. After you enable editing on the file, be sure to save the file with your name on it in your cloud storage or computer. Each slide of this template presents directions and a sample of the information you will present. The directions are included here in the notes underneath the slide. If you do not see the notes in your current view, you may need to look at the status bar and click on Notes. This will expand the Notes section so that you see them in addition to your slide. In this title slide, you will replace the template title with an original title you create after you complete your research, along with your first and last name and the date. In the second slide, you see a prompt for the information you will insert, along with the directions beneath the slide. When you give presentations, you want to briefly tell the audience what you're going to talk about. So you'll create this preview and purpose slide along with the title slide after you create the rest of your presentation. The first slides you will complete are the current major or program. You can check your current major or program under Student Self-Service. This is an opportunity to make sure that your program or major is listed accurately with the college. If it's not listed accurately, talk to your advisor about the program you want to pursue and then change the program. For each slide, you are going to delete the template information and insert your information. You can complete the slides as you're doing the corresponding tasks and research. For example, here you're going to delete human resource management and insert your program. For example, Associate of Art, Associate of Science, or Electrical Engineering or Welding. The human resource image is not going to match most careers, so delete that. It's optional for you to add another image. If you do insert an image, make sure you keep track of where you found it so you can include a corresponding citation in the final slide of your presentation, your reference slide. You can find the information for the short description of most majors on the SkyCTC website. The salary is optional because it might not be listed. For example, an Associates of Art is a broad degree that leads to many different careers. So unless you currently have a specific track, you might not be able to find a specific salary for your current major or program. So this information, unless it's easily available, is optional. The next two slides relate to your personality profile and focus to results. When you complete these assessments, you will save specific information to include in your Career Exploration PowerPoint. This template you can see includes From 16 Personality website to cite where you found the information for this slide. The directions in the notes indicate this slide presents your personality profile from the Myers-Briggs inventory, which is the 16 personalities assessment. You will include 4 things that are also presented in the sample slide. You'll include your letter results that we see here as INFP and mediator. So you're going to include both the letters and the name of your personality type. You'll also include a sentence that sums up or explains the results, 3 specific careers you saved in your journal, and an image or a chart that illustrates the results. You will complete the Focus 2 slide in the same way. The directions to complete the Focus 2 ask you to save the information you will present here. From your work interest assessment, you will present your 3-letter Holland code, a summary of the results, 3 careers suggested by the Focus 2, and a graph that illustrates the results. That concludes the first part of the template that you will be working on.